So the internet tells me that vaseline will destroy the inside plastic of Rubik's cubes, but I want to test it out to see if it's actually true or not. So here we go. Let's just take it out, grab a big scoop. Wait, I have to open the cube first. Look. Okay. Grab this big glob and just dab it on. And then put a ton in the cube. Okay. I think this is enough, right? Yeah, probably enough. So I'm just gonna put it back in the cube. Come on. Get in. It's not working. Get it. Okay, there we go. Just wipe it off since the cube is so oily. Okay. I'm gonna go scramble it and solve it. Ooh, it's so gummy. By the way, this is a Moyu Mailong 3C or whatever it says on the packaging. So, yeah. I know, I haven't even learned full C-flop yet. I'm still learning. This is beginner C-flop. Okay. The Vaseline makes it so hard to get, but yeah, I guess I'll just put it back in its box and check back on it after a few months. Okay. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.